Hi everyone, today's the day when I open my ARTSNACKS Plus box for the month of October, and I have to say that I already opened it just now, and then I realized that I was not filming it, so I'm redoing it. And also, before I open it to show you what's in there, I need to share with you a little secret about Inktober and how I had to start it a week early because I was scheduled for surgery on the 30th of September, and I really don't know how long it's going to take me for this hand to work again. So I wanted to have a little head start because I didn't want to miss Inktober because of that. That means I started a week early and I should be done a week early or not, depending on how long it's going to take me to use this hand again. If not, I might have to finish the rest of Inktober with my left hand, which is going to be a pain. But anyway, just to let you know, I didn't do day 3, so today, because I was expecting this box and I'm expecting it to be ink supplies. It usually is in October. And I wanted to do today's prompt, which is bait with the supplies from here. So now that you know my little secret, I'm going to show you what's inside of this box. And we will start with the paper, which I already unwrapped, not very easily because I can't do anything with this hand and it hurts like crazy. So this is a render paper by Crescent, and I've already have some. I really like it. I've actually made a video on all the different marker papers you can use. This is one of my favorite ones because it's no show or no bleed through, meaning that the paper is thick enough, or there's something inside, I don't know what, so you can use alcohol-based markers in it and it's not going to show at all through it. It's awesome. So this one is 110 pounds. It's 8.5 by 11 inches and it has 64 pages and it lays flat as well. So it's cool. I like journals where you can actually use both sides of the paper. So this is really neat. Then with the ARTSNACKS Plus box, the second edition is the mixed medium paint marker. It's empty and you fill it up with anything you want. It's really fat. I don't know what I'm going to put in there. I wonder if I can just put it's FW. Maybe I can just put a mixture of ink, FW ink by Delorani. I don't know. I'll have to read the instructions, but it says mixed media, so maybe diluted paint would work too. I'm just not sure about the nib. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Now for the regular supplies from the regular ARTSNACKS box. There's some Sennelier Abstract Acrylic ink. And this is Venetian Pink. It looks very pretty. Probably can use that for like skin tone or something. Nice. We've got the menus. What else we got in there? We've got some sour punch for the snack. And let's see. There's a General's Semi-Hex drawing pencil, a graphite pencil. It's 2H. It's very hard. We've got a brush. It's a round brush, a number 4. It's a Zen brush, and it's, oh boy, I never know how to say that. Royal and Langnickel? Langnickel, yeah, I guess so. So it looks nice and shiny. And we've got 2 Copic markers. So there's a, let's see, grayish lavender and frost blue. And they're the kinds with a chisel tip on one side and a small nib on the other side. That's a pretty color. And let's see. And that's it. What? No sticker? I didn't get a sticker this month. Oh well. No. Anything in the box? Nope, no sticker. Oh well, that's okay. I'm sure I'll survive. So that's it. Let's see what we have for the... where did it go? The bonus prompt. We challenge you to fill an entire page of your new Croissant Render sketchbook. Whether it's with words, doodles, or patterns, cover the entire surface from edge to edge. Yeah, I don't know. I don't have much. Well, I guess with this I could, but I already have a challenge that I'm going to have to do it with my left hand because no choice. And then also I have to use the prompt for Inktober, which is bait. I don't know if I'm going to do the edge-to-edge thing, but we'll see what I can do with this for today. Okay, so it's time for the challenge now. So because I already had a journal, a Croissant render journal, I wanted to work on that one rather than start a brand new one because I still have plenty of pages available. And for the prompt, bait, I already had in mind to do something like a polar bear sitting on ice, fishing or something like that, but the colors I got in the box didn't really work very well. So I started thinking again, and then I thought of an anglerfish, you know, those like weird, very toothy fish that have the light to attract their prey. I've always been fascinated by those in a weird way. They are just weird looking, but the way of catching their prey is really cool. And then again, the colors were not the best for this. So as I was just staring at the colors I got, I looked at my acrylic ink and it kind of reminded me of a goldfish. And so I decided to put a little twist on the anglerfish. And I decided to draw a goldfish with a stick taped to its back and some Christmas lights attached to it and trying to catch his own dinner. So doing it all with my left hand was a pretty big challenge. But I think I'm just getting used to using my left hand more and more, and I'm pretty proud of the result. The only thing that was difficult, I think, was to cover the whole page with alcohol-based marker and to keep it even. I was just way too slow, so it didn't really work out. So I tried to just do some patterns of some sort. I don't know. I did end up, covering the whole page. That way, that filled the ARTSNACKS Plus challenge. But the focus really is on the fish and the lights. And I really like the colors that came in the box. They're pretty muted, and I think they go really well together. Now for the ink, I watered it down a lot at first to have just a light pink or orangey pink. And I must say that wet mediums don't work very well on this paper. It's fine, it didn't damage the paper or anything, but it just, I don't know, didn't have a good feel to it. It doesn't look the same. I really like using this paper mostly for alcohol-based markers. And actually, as you noticed, I cheated. I wanted to use a fine liner because I think all the colors would have blended together. So I used the fine liner that came in the previous ARTSNACKS box. That way it's only half cheating. But it makes the drawing pop out a little bit more, so that's what I did that. And then I tried using the empty marker pen, and I don't know. I don't know if I put too much water with the ink. I think on another paper it would have worked well, but as soon as I put that nib onto the render paper, it started peeling, so I barely use it for my challenge. But the brush was okay. I think I'll get a better feel for it once I can use it with my right hand. But that's it for today's prompt for Inktober, and I'm happy with the result. I'm proud that I did it with my left hand, and it looks halfway decent. Thank you all for stopping by. I'll see you tomorrow with the next prompt. Bye-bye.